Hello everyone and welcome back. And in this tutorial, what I want to do in part 2 is show you how to configure your custom contact form into Mailing Boss, okay? So we're not going to use the email marketing form like I've done in another tutorial, which you can also go and watch. And we're going to use the custom contact form, which is located right here. Okay, and then we're just going to select on any one of the options here. All right, now once I place this where I want and size this how I like, I'm going to go in here, right click, go into configure, and I want to show you something before we actually go ahead and configure. All right, so we're going to go here into default. This is where we're going to work, and then we're going to click on edit. Now once we do that, it's going to bring up this box here. All right, now you need an action link and the method. The method is going to be post. Okay, that's the one you want to select. Now the action, we're going to get inside of Mailing Boss. However, I want you to configure one thing beforehand. The way this is going to work is that this form needs to match up exactly to your Mailing Boss form as far as the tags and as far as how many lines you have here. So as a perfect example, let's go here into Mailing Boss, go into the list that we're going to use. All right, and now we're going to go here into the overview, and then let's go check out our custom fields. All right, so we have a first name and an email. The first name is up top, the sort order here, and the email is on the bottom, okay? These are the only two options that we have. Now, one thing that we also need to pay attention to, of course, like I just said before, is going to be the tags, okay? The F name and the email. This is where their importance comes in with the custom contact form, okay? You need to make sure these tags and this sort order matches your form inside of your page. All right, so what we're gonna do is come back over here. We're going to come over here, go into our elements, and we're only going to keep our first name and our email. These two have to go. Okay, now we're just going to confirm. Pull that down here. I'm going to close up the gap. All right, now we can go ahead and come back into Mailing Boss. All right, I want you to go back into your list. Okay, now you're going to come back into your overview, go into your pages, and then go into your subscribe form here. Okay, now let's go ahead and click on that, and then once you're here, you're going to see these two URLs up top. Okay, the subscribe form URL is going to be this one here. I want you to go ahead and copy this link. Okay, now once you copy this link, you're going to come over here, right click, go into configure. All right, and now that we're in default selected, we're going to click on edit, and then we're going to paste in our action link like so. Once we do that, we select our method and then confirm. Now you are all good to go in order to use this custom contact form with Mailing Boss. Okay, thank you, and I'll talk to you next tutorial.